Donna's budget-friendly recipe. Monggo Guisado.
Good day everyone! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today we will be cooking our recipe of the day, and this recipe is called a Monggo Guisado. This dish is very beneficial for those who are suffering a cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and diabetes, as it contains a high in proteins, in fibers, but low in carbohydrates. And also this would be beneficial to our kids and for the youngsters in their health development and in boosting their immune system against this coronavirus that we are experiencing today. So, tara, umpisa na natin.
Recipe ingredients: mung beans, chicharron, garlic, onion, ripe tomatoes. Procedures: heat pan and add oil. Sauté onion, tomatoes, garlic. Stir frying beans. Add salt for taste. Mix well. Simmer for 3 minutes. Cover the pan. Add water. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the chicharron. Simmer for 5 minutes. Mix well. Serve hot. Enjoy.